Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about how to add the submit button and the reset button to the HTML program. So here we have discussed about this program in earlier class. So here you can see that here I have added these two buttons by using this input element, and here in the type attributes I have added these buttons by using this submit and reset values. So here the submit button, this is a form control used to submit the form. So when user click the submit button, then it triggers the action method on the form element and calls the browser to send the form data to the web server. So after that, the web server will involve the server side processing program. So by using this type attribute equals to submit, we can add the submit button here, and here I have given the value to it as sign in. After that, coming to the reset button, so this is also a form control. It is used to reset the form field to their initial value. So here I have added this type attributes equal to reset. So this is used to configure a reset button. From here you can see that this is a sign in button, that is the submit button, and this one is the reset button. There are the various attributes that are added to it, like the type attribute, name attribute, ID attribute, value attribute. The another one is the SS keys and the tab keys. So here we will discuss about these attributes. So like here, if you will add here the SS key, and here if you will write here equals to, and here you only writing the S, and same way here again you are writing SS key equals to R. Okay, now save it and refresh the browser. So this particular SS key attribute is used to make this form keyboard friendly. So if you will not using the mouse and you only want to use the keyboard to select the submit and the reset button, for that you have to use the Alt plus S button to select the submit. And same way, if you want to select the reset button, for you have to use the Alt plus R. You can see that if you will click over to Alt plus S, it will make the focus over this submit button. So if you will click over to this Alt plus R, now it is making the focus to particular this reset button. So here I am only using the keys from the keyboard. I am not using here the mouse. So this particular SS key attribute is used to make this form keyboard friendly. The another one is the tab key. So this all attribute is also added to make the form keyboard friendly. For that, if you will write here, like here I am writing the tab index equals to, here I am writing the 2 and here I am writing 1 with that index, tab index equals to, and right here value, like here I'm adding 1. So now save the program and now again refresh it. So by using the tab button, you can access these two buttons, that is submit button and the reset button. Like here, if you will click over to this tab button, you can see the reset button will be clicked first, will be focused first. If you will again click over to the tab button, you will see the sign in button will be focused, because here we have added the tab index order. We have added the order reset button to be 1 and the submit button to be 2. So if you will again order these, like here I am adding 1 and here I am adding the 2. So now again save it and refresh the browser. So again click over to the tab. You can see now first of all it is focusing over to the submit button. If you will again click over to this tab button, now it will focus over to the next reset button, because here we have changed the order of this tab index. So these two attributes are basically used to make the form keyboard friendly. So these are the various attributes that are associated with this submit button and the reset button. So, and this is all about how to add the submit button and the reset button to the HTML program. Thank you.